Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but you still need to make your own decisions. So Palantir up 72 cents, 3.93%. Okay. We are up 2 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Nice green candle. Nice green candle that is having, let me see, are we having a higher top than yesterday? So the high of today was 1910. The high of yesterday was 1912. Very close to topping what we had yesterday. What is most interesting, I would say, is that we broke this double resistance. We tried it yesterday and came back down, but today we succeeded. One thing that I noticed with the stock market is that sometimes we try to get in position and then things turn around. And personally, I come back out. When the criteria that made me go buy in are no longer there, I just come out. I only took small losses. I never take huge losses because I cut my losses short. I can take multiple tiny losses, but then when I'm in and there's a home run, I'm in the home run, and this home run is making me 100 times what I lost. So yesterday, I tried to go in. I went long Palantir, but then I noticed that, oh no, this is a head fake. So I got caught with the head fake because I sometimes try to jump the gun a little bit. So I got caught there and I came out. But when I do this, then I have the tendency to think, oh yeah, Palantir is done. It gave me a head fake. It's not going to happen again. I have another week. The stock is giving you a head fake. The next day or at the next candle, things can be right. So what I learned looking at the stock market is that we always need to pay attention and don't make bad conclusions there. The preaching is done. This is looking not so bad for Palantir, I gotta say. Yeah? So we broke resistance right here. We are plateauing. I like to see this. We are really plateauing here and we are breaking at the same time. So this is very nice. The indicators are not yet there except for MACD, but this is really interesting. And this support at 1822 is an important support that was used in May of this year and also November of last year. So this thing is starting to come around. Let's go to the 1 hour chart just for fun. I gotta find a way to delete this. So here on the 1 hour chart, we have a better view. So yesterday we came right here and came back down, and now we came right up to it. First hour, then second hour, we clearly broke the resistance. And I had mentioned to maybe wait for 1895, because breaking a downward resistance means that the stock is no longer going down, but it could just mean that the stock is going sideways. So I like it to kick it up a notch. This is what it did. So 1895, look at how 1895 was important for that stock. I like to see this. See, the body is just right smack on 1895. It's smack enough. This one too, they barely closed above. It was not clear. Then, look at this. So at 130 and 230, it was above it, but very shyly, but not for the last hour. Last hour, look at this decent bodied candle. So the body of a candle is the difference between the open price and the closing price. So there is a nice spread between the two. So it's nice to see this. It just shows that the stock increased in price in a more significant manner. If you have nobody at all or just a line, well, it just means that the price did not increase or decrease during the day. So we like the price to increase. So the longer the candle, the bigger the move. It's nice to see in this last hour a decently bodied candle. And with an increasing volume here, it's there. It's not astronomical, but it's there. And stochastic at 95, RSI 59. Things are looking not too bad on the hourly chart. And at the same time, things are not looking too bad the daily chart also, because we are making a bottom here. We are plateauing. The two time frames, the daily time frame and the hourly time frame, seem to be in sync. And we want to have in that last while, we need to have the two time frames in agreement. I'm going to put it this way. Stochastic 26. Okay. Climbing a little bit. RSI climbing. MACD crossed over bearish. Well, we can talk about it in a week or two. So that's very interesting. So Palantir is looking, maybe it wants to turn around. We are still under this channel resistance. That's one thing that could be hindering our move up. But the next stop is 2010. Next stop is 2010, and we have not forgotten about our wishful thinking W. If we do a W like this, and then if we cross 2010, then we should be going up to 2450 or something like that. So maybe Palantir is going to surprise us. So maybe the comment of next year will be Palantir to the moon. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a YouTube member. If you are, then we are going to talk on Sunday when I do my live. It's nothing big. It's just a live. And we look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. And I do it a little bit more slowly. I make a little bit more English mistakes and everything. And you can also interact with me if you are on the interwebs at the same time as I do my live. So think about that. Think about this. This live is just a bonus. If you want to become a member because you like what I do and you want to give me some money, then you can give me that $5 a month. That's perfectly fine. And you don't have to show up for the live. You are paying $5 for that live. You are paying $5 because you like me and you like what I do. And the live is just a little bit of a bonus. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We are going to talk on Sunday or on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.